Old number 41 was all steamed up and ready to go.
It was such an integral part of the West, of growing up here in California.
The ghost town and Calico Railroad at Knott's Berry Farm turned 60, and the locomotive was renamed after Walter Knott, founder of the park.
It was one of the things he just wanted so badly.
To symbolize the 60 years, Knott's pounded a new golden spike into the tracks.
The Calico and Ghost Town Railroad is just as you remembered it. A steaming iron engine taking you and your family on a memory-filled trip around Knott's Berry Farm. There it is. Marvelous.
After the spike was hammered in, it was time to board the train for a trip back in time.
Pony Express. Yep.
Ah, get them hands up, everybody! Hands up, look like this. Well, not everybody cares about you, partner. You got any money?
No, sir.
Well, that's why nobody cares about you. How about you, Mayor?
No, they don't pay me.
Mayor Nays, right?
Yes.
Mayor Nays!
Anything you say, just don't shoot.
How about you folks? You got money? Probably why you're not at Disneyland today.
The train looks good. We've refurbished it. Has the granddad's name on it, so we're very happy.
Fans of the train, young and old, talked about why they like Knott's steam train.
And it's so great that Knott's is preserving its history and keeping it in top shape so that the generations to come and the present generations can enjoy it.
You like that train?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's cool.
Why is it cool?
Because I think it's cool.
You think you'd like to run it someday?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that's what job they'll get me.
Riding the rails at Knott's Berry Farm, this is Mark Eades reporting for OCRegister.com.